Welcome to Employment and Education News. Like, share, and subscribe is 100% free. So, please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. Specialist Officer, Economist, Security Officer, Risk Officer, IT Officer, Chartered Accountant post vacancy in UCO Bank. Eligibility, graduate in any discipline, bachelor degree of Fire Engineering, BE or BTech in Information Technology, Computer Science, Electronics and Communication, Electronics and Telecommunication, Electronics, MCA, MSc Computer Science, post graduation degree in Economics, Econometrics, CA. Age limit between 21 to 30 years for economist, 22 to 35 years for fire safety officer, 25 to 35 years for security officer, risk officer, IT officer, chartered accountant. Last date for application 20 January 2025. Junior assistant post vacancy in Uttar Pradesh Subordinate Services Selection Commission. Eligibility intermediate Hindi and English typing in computer. Age limit between 18 to 40 years. Last date for application 22 January 2025. Agriculture Marketing Officer, Agriculture Marketing Manager, Manager, Senior Manager, Head SME Cell, Officer Security Analyst, Technical Officer Civil Engineer, Technical Manager and other post vacancy in Bank of Baroda. Eligibility, graduation, CA, CFA, CMA, MBA, BE or BTech, MCA, MSc Computer Science, MSc IT, MSc in Cyber Security with experience. Age limit maximum 32 years for technical officer, officer security analyst, 34 years for manager, agriculture marketing officer, technical manager, 36 years for agriculture marketing manager, 37 years for senior manager, 42 years for head SME cell. Last date for application 17 January 2025. 17 staff car driver post vacancy in Chhattisgarh High Court. Eligibility 10th and transport or commercial driving license. Age limit maximum 30 years. 40 years for candidates of state of Chhattisgarh. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 17 January 2025. Trained graduate teacher science post vacancy in Odisha Subordinate Staff Selection Commission. Eligibility bachelor degree with science, BE or BTech. Age limit maximum 38 years. Last date for application 22 January 2025. Apprentice post vacancy in Madhya Pradesh Purv Kshetra Vidyut Vitaran Company Limited. Eligibility BE or BTech in electrical, diploma in electrical passed out between 2020 and 2024. Age limit maximum 30 years age on 1st July 2024. Last date for application 19 January 2025. Specialist Officer, Assistant Manager, Manager, Senior Manager, Cyber Security Expert post vacancy in India Post Payments Bank. Eligibility BE or BTech in Computer Science, IT, Computer Application, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication, Electronics and Instrumentation, BSc Electronics, Physics, Computer Science, Information Technology, MSc Electronics, Physics, Applied Electronics, Computer Science, Information Technology. Post graduation degree in Computer Science, IT, Computer Application, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication, Electronics and Instrumentation. No experience for Assistant Manager only. Age limit between 20 to 30 years for Assistant Manager, 23 to 35 years for Manager, 26 to 35 years for Senior Manager, maximum 50 years for Cyber Security Expert. Last date for application 10 January. Thanks for watching till the end.